Good morning children, Shanti. In previous class you already learned in introduction that identities I had given. Those identities how it has come. Okay, after simplification. Those you are going to learn now. First one, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means children a plus b into a plus b 2 times. You know binomial multiplication. A into a plus b into a plus b. A into a square, a into b, ab, b into a, ab, and b into b is b square. Here ab plus ab is 2ab because like terms, okay? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Means after simplifying a plus b whole square, we got a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means now we are going to consider the final answer. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay? It is like a formula we have to remember. Next one, a minus b whole square means a minus b into a minus b. A into a minus b into a minus b. Okay? A into a square plus into minus is minus, a into b, ab. Minus b into a, ba we can write or ab children. Minus ab, minus into minus is plus, b into b, b square. These two like terms, negative term addition. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Minus ab is minus 2ab plus b square. We got second identity, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Next identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. A into a minus b plus b into a minus b. A into a square plus into minus is minus, a into b, ab. Plus b into a, ba we can write or ab children. Plus into minus is minus, b into b, b square. Plus ab minus ab strike out. A square minus b square remained. Means a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Last one. X plus a into x plus b. X into x plus b plus a into x plus b. Okay. Binomial multiplication. Here x into x, x square. Plus x into b, bx. A into x, ax. Plus it is. Again plus into plus is plus children. A into b is ab. These two are like terms children because x is a common variable in these two terms. Okay. X square plus b plus a in bracket I have written children and then x I wrote as common plus ab. X square plus b plus a can be written as a plus b. Commutative holds good for addition, is it? B plus a is nothing but a plus b. Then x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Therefore, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. It is the fourth identity. Let's solve exercise 9.5 first question. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. First one, x plus 3 into x plus 3 they give. Means it is in the form of a plus b into a plus b. Just now you learned some identities children. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. We can write x plus 3 into x plus 3 whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. First identity. In the place of a plus b, x plus 3 whole square. X plus 3 whole square is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. Here a means x children, b means 3. In the place of a, x I have to substitute. In the place of b, this 3 I have to substitute. A means x square plus 2 as it is. Again a means x, b means 3. Okay. 2 into x into 3 plus b square means 3 square. Okay. After substituting, we can multiply x into x square plus 2 into 1 here. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 3, 6. Here nothing is there. Then directly 2 3s are 6 also can be multiplied. This x is a variable, write as it is. Plus 3 square value is 9. That is 3 3s are 9. Okay. Next one. 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5 again. Means we can write as 2y plus 5 whole square because it is 2 times. Okay. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Every time first we have to identify the identity which we are going to use in the given question. Okay. Here a plus b means student 2y plus 5. A means 2y, b means 5. Substitute in the place of a and b. Then 2y whole square plus 2 into a value is 2y, b value is 5 and again b value is 5 square. Then 2y whole square means 2 2s are 4. Y into y square. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. First numeral multiplication and then variable. Okay. Then 5 square is 5 5s are 25. Okay. Next one. 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. It is in the form of second identity. We can write as 2a minus 7 whole square. 2a minus 7 whole square. We know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Here a means 2a, b means 7. Okay. Separately you can write. It will be easy to substitute. A means 2a whole square minus 2. A means 2a, b means 7 and plus b means 7 whole square. Now you can multiply. 2 square is 4. A into a is again a square. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. This variable a as it is. Plus 7 7s are 49. Okay. Next one. 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2 again. It is in the form of 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. Means again second identity. We know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 3a, b means 1 by 2 children. Then let us substitute 3a whole square minus 2 into 3a into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. 3 square is 9, a into a is a square minus 2 3s are 6. And then 6 by 2 also we can write. But here 2 and denominator 2 I got, so I strike out 2 and 2, then only 3a remain. Because minus into plus is minus itself, 3a. Okay. Plus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, that is 1 by 4. 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 9a square minus 3a plus 1 by 4. Next question children. 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. It is a into b form children, then b into a we can write. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here third identity we are going to use. Then 1.m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. That is a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is 1.1 m square. Okay. This is a square minus 0.4 whole square because b is 0.4. Okay. A square minus b square. 1.1 into 1.1 gives 1.21. M into m square minus 0.4 into 0.4 which is nothing but 0.16. Okay. Next one. A square plus b square minus a square plus b square again. Observe here children. This just I changed. A plus b is there. B plus a I have written. A square plus b square I wrote as b square plus a square. Here minus a square plus b square I wrote as b square minus a square. Okay. Then now we can use any identity. Otherwise we can't use any identity here. Little change after it became a plus b into a minus b form. Then a square minus b square we can use. Is it? We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. B square plus a square into b square minus a square is equal to, means a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is b square, b is a square. Okay. B square whole square is b to the power 4 minus a square whole square is a to the power 4. Okay. Next one. 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7. It is a plus b into a minus b form. Okay, reverse. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7 is equal to a square minus b square. A is 6x, b is 7. 6 is 36. X square is x square, that is x into x, which is x square. 7 square is 49. 7 7 is 49. 8th one. Minus a plus c minus a plus c. It is a plus b into a plus b form children, then a plus b whole square we can write. First identity, we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is minus a children and b is c. Okay. A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is minus a whole square plus 2 into minus a into c plus c whole square. Minus into minus is plus. A into a square. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into a into c, 2ac. Plus write down c into c square. Okay. Next one. X by 2 plus 3y by 4. X by 2 plus 3y by 4. Means a plus b into a plus b. You can write as a plus b whole square. Here a we will consider as x by 2. B we will consider as 3y by 4. Okay. Then a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here x square divided by 4 we will get. Here 2 strike out children. 3y into x or x into 3y is 3xy divided by 4 we will get. Okay. X into 3y is 3xy divided by 4 we will get. Then plus 3 square value is 9. 9y square 4 4 is 16. Then we will get x square by 4 plus 3xy by 4 plus 9y square divided by 16. Okay. Last one. 7a minus 9b into 7a minus 9b. It is in the form of a minus b into a minus b. A minus b whole square we can write. We know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then 7a minus 9b whole square is equal to a square means 7a whole square minus 2ab. 2 write down. A is 7a, b is 9b plus b square 9b whole square. 7 7s are 49, a into a is a square. 2 7s are 14, 14 into 9, 126. Minus into plus is minus, a into b is ab. Means minus 126 ab we got. Plus 9 9s are 81 children, b into b square. Therefore 7a minus 9b whole square is equal to 49a square minus 126ab plus 81b square. Thank you.